So standard package is 150 and the ad setup and the instant form and the campaign. So everything is included here. I will create the business manager account and Facebook page and integrate everything. It's completely free for you since you are just started the business.
Okay, sweet.
So
Perfect.
yeah.
Okay. I really appreciate it. Okay. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Let me just
All right.
all right. How
How
you
are
doing, my
you?
friend? Yeah, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
all good.
I'm doing good as
That's
well.
good.
So thank you so much for joining with me. Yesterday actually was a very late night, so I was actually need a sleep. So can you tell me about your businesses and you need like a qualified leads first. Then you need to book some uh, secure some jobs.
Yeah.
So yeah, tell me more about the whole process so I can give you the better ad strategy for 7 days to see how it's going, and then we can uh, like increase it day by day, and we can
Mhm.
working together. All right.
Okay, so the main business is a cleaner business. So it's a
Mm-hmm.
remote cleaner business.
Okay.
So I'm not the one cleaning, but I got cleaners for me. So I'll be sending them the jobs and they obviously clean and everything else. So the main
Okay.
objective is to target homeowners, Airbnb owners,
Mm-hmm.
and residential owners and end of tenancy. So people that are moving out of their houses and just people that want weekly cleans. So that's what I want to be targeting. So homeowners, to be honest.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the main
And
objective of
also the apartment rental, like
yeah,
that can.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly that. So I want to get into obviously commercial people, so offices and stuff like that. So businesses, restaurants, bars. But for the main objective of this test advert, obviously I want to target the homeowners because I just want to see how it is because I've just started this business. So I need to see how the ads actually work and if it actually does give me leads because I know that when you give me the leads, I can 100% qualify them and close the doors straight away because I know I can do that. But it's just to get those leads to come to me, then yeah, that's the main objective. And then if I see more and more demand, then that's when I'll create a website and then we can do we can just change the advert a bit more for them to come to the website and then they just fill out a form and a quote and then I'll just get it on
Yep.
my email. That's it.
All right. All right. So I understand your businesses.
Hmm.
So just one question. So first of all, we will target most probably the homeowners as
Hmm.
well as the apartment rental and the
Hmm.
hotel like restaurant. So yep, I will find out the exact audience for you. Before we will run ads, we need a like a Facebook and Instagram business page right now
Hmm.
because on the website we can do it later, no problem. So on my previous working experience, like which kind of a strategy should we follow on the initial stage of your businesses?
Hmm.
So that would be really good things. I will send you the whole marketing plan after finish the meeting.
Yeah.
Then we can discuss it. But right now, I want to say something. Like first of all, we need Facebook and Instagram business page. Okay. Then second, the thing is, we will collect the leads on the like meta instant form. Okay, it's
Hmm.
called the instant form. Look like the website inquiry page. So we
Hmm.
can add some question like which kind of cleaning do you need,
Yeah.
like a house or a kitchen, something like that.
Hmm.
And so, how much is your budget? Like that kind of question we can put in based on your
I think
jobs.
for the budget, not necessarily because it's a quote. So they'll fill out the
Oh,
form. So you just say, for
okay.
example, what type of clean you obviously they put their first name, last name. Then you
Hmm.
say what type of clean they want.
Right.
That's the questions, and then you say where they're based because we need to know where they're based. I can send out a cleaner to their location because if they live, let's say, in Manchester, but I'm based in London, that's not. I don't have any
Yeah,
cleaners
right.
in Manchester. So then I need to understand, then I need to see, then in the form, I don't want too many questions, but in the form as well is, um, yeah, what type of clean I already said. And then also, what is it? Yeah, that's it, to be honest. And then how big is your house? So square foot, how big is your square foot house? And if there's any pictures, any additional comments, so like attach any pictures of the house so we can
You can send
see,
it
yeah, so they
through.
can we can
Uh,
see what type of clean. Because some people will say they need a standard clean, but the house is a mess and is not a standard clean. So yeah, that's just a small form like that. That could be work. That could be good.
Oh, all right, all right. I understand that. So, do you have a business logo, right? You said do you
Yeah,
you have already business logo. So you
yeah.
can just give me the business name,
hmm
and you can just give me business logo. But if you are in computer right now, so we can create it together. Then you can give me the access later, so I can start the work.
Yeah. The only thing is because I got some stuff to do. I got another meeting after this, so I don't think I could do. But I'll send it to you literally right after my I finish my meeting. I'll send you. What do you just tell me what you need? You need the logo and what else?
Yeah, basically for the business manager and ad accounts, we need to follow some rules. Otherwise, Meta will block us.
hmm
So I actually follow the Meta rules. So I will create Facebook and Instagram business page from your computer, and then I will connect it with the business manager accounts.
hmm
And also, I can take the access, employee access, so I can set up, manage, and optimize the campaign and send you the report.
hmm
So you can just manage everything from one place. I will just guide you,
hmm
and then I can start the work when I get the access. So it should
Yeah.
be like a 5 to 10 minutes within the whole setup.
Okay. Okay.
If you have a time, so I can do it now, and if you don't have time, I can also guide you how you can do that.
Yeah, we
Um,
can. What time would you be available for another call? Because just because I got another call coming up.
um, I'm available from now. We can book another call today or
Yes,
whenever you
please.
are.
Let
Yeah.
me just check my calendar. So I'm available at 11:30. Is that all right with you?
11:30 is le-
UK time. So it'll
UK time.
be I don't know what time. Wait, let me check.
Let me see. What's your current time now? It's almost
N
10 a.m., right?
Yeah, it's almost 10 a.m. Says
Okay,
9:57.
so almost 1 hour later we can connect. Yep, that's
Yeah.
fine. So my time is right now is 3, almost 2:58 a.m.
hmm
So yep, I can join.
Okay, sweet. Perfect.
Yeah.
And then in terms of the price, because remember I told you at first I just want to start with a small budget of 100 pounds because obviously we don't know if it's gonna. I mean, with you, what's the obviously nothing is guaranteed, but what do you think? How many leads could you maybe get? And if you have like a variety, I know nothing is guaranteed, but if you could tell me like on a ballpoint, how many people
Yeah.
do you think?
Basically, we cannot guarantee anything,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, you know.
Yeah, it's true.
So, on my previous working experience, I can give you the estimated like we can generate 10 to 15 leads with this budget.
hmm
So, and you can qualify through messaging like chat on manually
hmm
with a follow-up system. So yeah, that's the thing. It's depend actually on the content and your offer. So if our offer and content is good, we can bring like more qualified leads. So within like $100 budget. But I recommend you can run minimum 2 weeks. But since your budget is £100, so we can test it for the 7 days and see how it's going. Then we can move forward
Okay, cool. Yeah, okay,
with
okay,
this
cool.
budget.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's perfect. And then in terms of what I would say in terms of your price, because I didn't really see how much you charge, but like what would be the
Oh,
price?
okay. So I actually charge on weekly and like monthly basis. So since this is a 7 days package, so you can take a look my gig. It's maybe the 150, I think, USD. I can also offer you like since you are just started the business.
Yeah.
So my standard package is recommended for you, not the premium. So standard package is 150, and the ad setup and the instant form and the campaign. So everything is included here.
Hmm.
But I will create the business manager account and Facebook page and integrate everything. It's completely free for you since you are just started the business.
Okay, sweet.
So
Perfect.
yeah.
Okay. I really appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, okay,
All
that could work, definitely. Um, okay, cool, that's perfect. Just because I got a meeting in 5 minutes, I'm gonna send you, we'll check back again in 1 hour and 30 minutes. I said 11:30, which is 4:30 for you, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem. I'm just available. It's my evening time, so I can do it. No problem.
Yeah, I don't wanna keep you for too long, but just 4:30 for 30 minutes and then we
Yeah,
can
sure.
we can do
100%.
login and everything else. That's
All
perfect.
right. Then.
All right,
Yeah.
perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay. I appreciate your time and see you
See you.
soon.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye.